Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone X after update iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Accessibility. Scroll down, tap Audio and Visual. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Solution number 2. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Solution number 3. Check relevant app permission. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down, tap Microphone. Make sure that the app is turned on. Solution number 4. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. Tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.